New study. A landmark climate study has been released with reports that global warming is changing the life cycles of thousands and thousands of animals and plants, as well as hundreds of physical systems worldwide, all around the earth. It documents rapid glacier melts in North America, South America, and Europe, and Greenland. Trees and plants sprouting leaves much sooner in the spring in Europe, Asia, and North America. Permafrost melting in Asia. And rapid changes in bird migration patterns across Europe, North America, and Australia, all in response to rising global temperatures, which are rising rapidly. Many previous studies have looked at single phenomena or smaller areas. The latest study examines information on a continental scale. By analyzing data from each of the Earth's 7 continents and the oceans, the study paints a very clear picture of a world that's been undergoing rapid transformation in just the past few decades, and it's speeding up. These are things that are happening right now, not projections of future changes, but right now. In the study, which is in this week's journal Nature, information or data on approximately 28,800 plant and animal systems and 829 physical systems, all of which show documented changes over just the past few decades. The study has found that 95% of the observed physical changes and 90% of the biological changes are consistent with global warming temperatures. Some of the physical changes are melting glaciers on all continents, notably in Alaska, Peru, and the Alps. Earlier breakup and thinning of river and lake ice in Mongolia. Declining mountain snowpack in western North America. Some of the observed effects on living things include movements of animal species to higher latitudes and altitudes throughout the northern hemisphere. The population of emperor penguins has declined 50% on the Antarctic Peninsula. The advance of spring arrival of long-distance migratory birds in Europe. It was a real challenge to separate the influence of human-caused temperature increases from any possible natural climate variations or other confounding factors, such as land use changes or pollution. Says study co-author David Karoly, a climate scientist at the University of Melbourne in Victoria, Australia. Scientists and researchers have reported in the study, however, that these temperature increases at continental scales cannot be explained by natural climate variations. Yes, global warming, climate change is very real. You can see it all around. And it's increasing. It's picking up speed at a faster pace, rapidly. These are all more signs, end times, transition days, whatever you want to call them. Yes, These are more signs.